Well, Bluehost got started in 2003 by Matt Heaton and Danny Ashworth, and they wanted to kind of make a better hosting company. They'd had a couple iterations before, but Bluehost was the next generation of hosting.
And they thought, hey, if we ever got up to 20, 30,000 customers, that's the most we'd ever be able to handle. Today, we're well over that. We've got close to 1 million customers. We're growing by 30 to 40,000 a month.
And there's lots of things that Bluehost has done to make the web hosting industry better. So not only do you have faster speeds, more reliable uptime, and less bugs or issues that could potentially take down your website, but it's just going to run cleaner and faster. And that's because of the technology that we've developed here.
That's something that really sets us apart from our competition. A lot of companies, they go out, they rent servers from a data center, they fire them up for their customers, and that's the extent of it. They don't really know the hardware. And we all know hardware very, very well. We build all of our servers here in-house. We spec them out. We actually test different configurations. We work with the manufacturers to have them build what we want. Understanding that better helps customers realize, hey, my downtime is less on Bluehost because they have these technologies that nobody else has.
We have worked hard on the stability of the platform. As a service provider, we believe that the #1 important factor is to have uptime. So we do everything that we can to make that server lightning fast.
So we're constantly finding better ways to do it more efficiently, more effectively, and more powerfully for the users. The largest goal of Bluehost is to make sure that the customer is happy and that they really think that Bluehost is taking care of them. Our support is amazing. We have an average hold time of less than 30 seconds. We offer 24/7 service. It's all based here in the USA. The quality of support is so high that we can actually answer questions the first time rather than having repeat calls coming in from the same customer with the same issue.
One of the things that makes us different than everyone else is we are 100% in-house in every way. Every single representative, no matter what department they come into, goes through a couple weeks worth of training in not only technical aspects so that we make sure that our staff is knowledgeable, but also so that we can train them in customer service and knowing how to address the customer's needs, how to listen to our clients, how to make sure that we're taking care of them and making them feel comfortable and happy with their hosting experience.
On a daily basis, I get many comments about how amazing our technical support is, how they can't believe how they picked up the phone and within a few seconds actually talked to a tech, somebody who was knowledgeable, solved their problem quickly, and addressed all the issues that they have.
I really do get a feel and sense that our customers want the web hosting experience to be better, and they know we'll listen, and so together we make a pretty fantastic company.